Hi guys, we're here today with Luke Fallon. Luke is one of our oldest clients with the quick gyros. He's fitted a quick gyro to this magnificent O'Brien 56 probably 3 years ago now, Luke, almost 3 years ago.
At least 3 years.
So yeah, Luke's a very accomplished professional captain on the reef, and he does game fishing charters on the beautiful Kekoa. And look, I thought it'd be great to ask Luke some questions about the gyro, seeing as he's the guy with some of the best experience and certainly ocean-going experience of any of our customers. So Luke, tell us a little bit about why quick gyro.
We went with a quick gyro mainly because it was an aftermarket install and space was an issue. So luckily enough, the quick fit right in the space that we had. So that was one big plus for us. And
well as between the engines, isn't it?
Right, between the engines in the engine room, yeah. And the simpleness of the operation is another, contributing factor. That also the fact that it's air cooled and not water cooled is a huge part for us because we spend a lot of time. It's a marlin fishing boat, so when we're fighting fish, we're backing up and reversing, and we get a lot of air and turbulence under the boat, and we don't have any troubles with airlocks in pumps or anything like that because it's all air cooled.